Hi everyone, this is Correa, and today I'm going to be talking about Mochahost. So as you can see, the guys from Mochahost offer WordPress hosting, servers, domains, and many other things. For example, in the plans of hosting, they offer share web hosting, cPanel web hosting, Windows web hosting, Java Tomcat hosting, and obviously reseller hosting if you want to sell your own products under the brand of Mochahost. Yes, so what is Mochahost? Web hosting that's powered by us, inspired by you. Feeling ready for a fresh-faced website? We've got this expertise to fuel your online presence. This is what the guys from Mochahost are telling you, trusted by CNET, Force, Money, TechRadar, and Host Advice. Yes, don't just take our word for it. Here are the reviews, obviously by Trustpilot. If you ever want to start with a plan with the guys from Mochahost, I'm going to be dropping my link down below, guys, for you to start buying your hosting and domain, obviously with a discount. As you can see, the guys from Mochahost have servers all over the world. Yes, in the USA, in South America, in Europe, New Zealand, and many other countries. So what is this for? For your website to be faster or the fastest. Yes. As I told you before, if you ever want to start your buying your hosting and domain with the guys from Mochahost, you can ever do it here. My link is under the video description for you guys to have a big discount, and then you are going to choose any of these plans. For example, the Soho, the Business, the Mocha, and the Ultimate. I recommend you going with the Business because it comes with a free domain. And if you want more extended features, for example, you are going to be choosing obviously the most popular, that is the Ultimate, in which you guys are going to be paying $11 plus 95 cents a month for unlimited websites, unlimited NVMe SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, 3 vCPUs cores, 5 GB virtual memory, and many other things. Obviously, you are going to have also your free weekly backups, your free domain, and free premium daily backups. Yes, locations: USA, India, and 7+ location choices, cPanel control or the cPanel control panel, Lightspeed web server, and many other features. So if you ever want to start, for example, you can also do it with the most popular, that is the Ultimate. Just click here where it says get started, and you guys are going to start buying your hosting and domain with one of the most reliable companies around the world, Mochahost. For example, Ultimate from $11.95 a month. You're going to be choosing paying every month, every 3 months, every 6 months. Hey, remember that you can buy hosting also for 1 month. Yeah, every 6 months. But as I told you, to try the service, you can start with, for example, 12 months. But if you are secure of what you're doing, you can ever go with every 36 months. For example, you're going to be paying $400 plus $430 plus 50 cents for 36 years. Yes, it's well, a big discount. Now the locations, you can choose your servers, for example, in Canada, in the US Central, Europe, Singapore, Australia, India, United Kingdom, or Latin America. Yes, so you're going to be choosing where you live. For example, I live in the USA, so I'm going to be choosing, for example, US Central. Yes, for my website to be faster. Register a new domain, account domain name. You can type and search your domain here. For example, I'm going to be typing Tony Correa web host, for example. Yes, and the machine is searching for a domain. Tony Correa web host is available here, and you're going to register here your domain. Yes, obviously with this free package you are going to get it for free, and then you're gonna be adding this to your cart, and after that you guys are going to be proceeding to buying your web hosting and domain from the guys from Mochahost. Yes, okay guys, I hope you have liked my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked my video. See you next time. Bye bye, take care.